I would just like to welcome everybody back to our third day of these webinars. And today, our first speaker is going to be Iadine Chadés, and she's going to talk about a recap from yesterday and more about adaptive management. And then briefly, Paul Fackler will be going through some examples. Okay, so we're ready to start. And again, put your questions in the Q&A if you have a question. Thank you. Let me say one more thing before I forget that, yes, the slides and the videos will be available in a few days. Thanks.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to day 3 of our tutorial. So day 2, we looked into how to optimize sequential decision making. We've learned a lot about Markov decision processes, and we've introduced MDP solve. And then we talked about how to learn in the adaptive management context. We talked about the need to actually define sufficient statistics so that we are smart in the way we make our adaptive decisions. We talked about the different type of uncertainty and how your sufficient statistic might change depending on your uncertainty. So we talked about model uncertainty, the hidden parameters, or the hidden variable, the hidden variable when we have model uncertainty takes finite number of values, and we usually use belief states. And in the case where we have parameter uncertainty, we have the hidden variables may take infinite amount of values, and we have, but we can turn that into a discrete number of values, or finite number of values. Okay, so today we will put that together. We will first look at adaptive management in the context of model uncertainty. So in the case where the hidden variable has finite values. I'll start, and then Paul will provide some example with MDP solve, I believe, and then the breakout session, and Paul will take over for the second part of solving adaptive management under parameter uncertainty.